guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because this is going to be 3 last minute holiday hair looks. I think that these 3 looks will definitely tie together your entire ensemble for the holiday season. I also just want to thank Garnier Fructis again for partnering up with me on this video. Today I'm using their Sleek and Shine line to recreate 3 holiday hairstyles for this season using their Sleek and Shine line. Their Sleek and Shine line promises to make your hair smooth and sleek for 3 entire days, even in high humidity. I prep my hair with the shampoo and conditioner and also use the leave-in mask. You can either rinse it out for that extra bit of moisture. If you want to go to the next level, leave it in as a leave-in conditioning cream. So the hairspray I am using is the Hold and Flex Frizz Control hairspray from Garnier Fructis. It leaves a really great hold without being crunchy at all. And then I'm also finishing off all my looks with this serum. It's also from the Sleek and Shine line. I love using this in my hair for that extra added smoothness. So first look over here, this is a low chignon. So I air dried my hair and it air dries straight, but you can definitely put a flat iron to it if you need to. And what I did was I brushed through my hair and I made a really low ponytail, and then I started to twist super tightly. Kind of wrapped my hair around and secured it with an elastic. I also use the hairspray to tame the flyaways here. I like to spray a little bit in my hand, rub it together, and then place it on the top. Put it with some statement earrings and you are good to go. Next look I have here is with a little bit of wave. So what I did here was actually just try to wave my hair as fast as I could within 5 minutes by wrapping my hair around the wand. Try it yourself and see how wavy your hair can get. Honestly, it really just needs a little bit of bend and that's pretty much it. So once you have that down, I actually picked up these 2 types of hair accessories. One is a set of gold bobby pins and the other are these really fun clips I'm actually wearing in my hair right now. So I decided to take the bobby pins and kind of line them up on a 3-inch section of hair, just pinning everything in place and then finishing off with a few extra sparkly bits. After that, I finished it off with some hairspray and I was good to go. Third last minute holiday hairstyle I have is a high pony. High ponies were really trendy for 2018, so I thought why not end off the year with one? I think that this is a really fun hairstyle and again, super fast. So what you want to do is leave out your front face framing layers. That's going to add a little bit of definition to your face area, and then you're going to tie the rest in a super high pony. Again, you're going to want to go with your brush and your rat tail comb and just really swoop everything up as much as you can. This part takes a little bit of practice, but once you get it down, it's really quick. And then after that, you may want to touch up some of the waves in your ponytail, but the great thing about this is that you don't have to curl your entire head, just around your face and maybe a few pieces here and there. Back comb a little bit with the brush, add your serum, and again, your hairspray, and you are good to go. The great thing about this serum is that it adds a little bit of softness, so if you feel like you need that extra bit because of the winter weather, this is a really great product for you. There you guys have it. Those are my 3 last minute holiday looks for the season. Thank you again, Garnier, for partnering up with me on this video. And again, all of the links will be in the description box below. So without further ado, guys, I'm gonna head out, but I hope you guys enjoyed this one and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.